Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Network and Internet or Connections. This gets you to SIM management. Once there, tap SIM cards or mobile network settings so you can see both entries. Look for the entry labeled SIM2 and read the carrier or phone number shown. If the number isn't visible, make sure the SIM is active and cellular data is enabled. These first actions narrow the search and confirm the phone recognizes the second SIM. Once you see SIM2 recognized, open its individual settings and look for My Phone Number field or an Advanced Info section. That often shows the M-System. If it's blank, try dialing the carrier UST code like *#100# or use the carrier's app to display the assigned number. Make sure to switch to SIM2 when sending queries. If software methods fail, power down and remove the SIM to read any printed number on the physical card as a fallback. To finish, verify the number by sending an SMS from SIM2 to a friend or your other phone. The incoming message will show the number. If the number still shows unknown, contact your carrier and provide the ICSID or SIM serial so they can assign or confirm the M-System. If the phone doesn't detect SIM2, restart the device, reinsert the SIM, and make sure the slot contacts are clean. A final troubleshooting tip. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable to force network re-registration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.